What's your definition of justice?
Justice, Senator, to me, means that the law is applied equally to all individuals, regardless of race, sex, position, and that all cases are heard by a fair and impartial judge, fair and impartial jury, and that the laws are applied equally.
Okay. How do we know what is your barometer for deciding whether a law that's being applied equally is just?
Well, as a judge, I have cases that come before me, individual cases. So
I'm not asking about a case. I'm asking about philosophy.
Well,
How do you just personally look at a law and determine whether that law, in your judgment, is just?
Well, it is not for a judge to determine whether a law
I'm not
is
asking
just
you as a judge. I'm asking you as a person. I'm trying to understand you as a person.
Well, Senator, whatever understanding I have, if a law is just or not just, I have to apply that law.
Let me stipulate that, okay? Let me stipulate that. I'm not going to ask you how you rule on a case, and I know you're going to follow precedent, okay? You're always. I get that. How do you personally look at a law and decide whether it's just or not? It's pretty basic.
Well, Senator, that is not the role of a judge to determine if a law is.
No, but it's the role of a human being. I'm just trying to get to know you. Do you have a personal definition of justice?
Well, Senator, justice, in my particular case.
I know it's applied equally, but how do we know a law is just or unjust, in your opinion?
Well, Senator, as I mentioned, I have to apply the laws as they stand, and I have to make
Okay,
sure
let's
that
move on, Judge. I don't think you're going to answer.